chance to make you understand and tell you these forgotten truths you never thought were real. And if the world should turn its back, you know that I'm still here. Time won't ever steal my soul. And we're not broken, so please come home. Morning comes and life moves on, and when it changed, you didn't know you belong. And I still catch you when you fall through a past that steals your sleep, and scrawl these words upon your wall, remind you to believe. Time won't ever steal my soul. We're not broken, so please come home.
Turns out all we needed was a little more of this.
For you are now, and forevermore, a guardian.